This is another question, question number 12. Okay, so you have to understand the question first. So question number 12 is, a villager's etuary has a plot of land of the shape of a quadrilateral. Okay, the Gram Panchayat of the village decided to take over some portion of his plot from one of the corners to construct a health center. Are you clear? Etuary agrees to the above proposal with the condition that he should be given equal amount of land in lieu of his land adjoining his plot so as to form a triangular plot. Explain how this proposal will be implemented. Okay, I think you might have understood the questions. Okay, that means Etuary was one of the villagers. He was a plot of land which the shape was quadrilateral. Okay, so the Gram Panchayat wants to construct a health center, and they take over his some portion of land, and Etuary agree in the proposal that he will give the same portion of land, that he will give the same portion of land, and again he will take the same portion of land from the Gram Panchayat also. Okay, after giving the land, and again after taking the land from his from the Gram Panchayat, his plot of land will be a triangular shape. Remember this. It will be the after giving to the Gram Panchayat to making a health center, again same portion again he will take from the Gram Panchayat also. Okay, then after his plot of land will be a triangular shape. Remember it, remember this one. Suppose this one is a quadrilateral shape of the villagers, which is Etuary was a quadrilateral shape. This one is, suppose this one A, B, C, D. This is a quadrilateral shape. This is the quadrilateral shape of a plot of land of Etuary. Okay, A, B, C, D. Again we have to do little bit construction here. Then after we will proceed that means question is saying that explain how this proposal will be implemented. We have to explain this explain his proposal. Okay, again that means he will give some portion of land, again he will take some portion of land from Panchayat also. After taking from the Panchayat, his plot of land will be a triangular shape. And how this proposal will be implemented? So first of all we have to extend this DC line to point E. Okay, isn't it? So we have to extend this line to point E. Again we have to draw another line through B which is parallel to AC. Okay, we have to draw another line which is parallel to AC. So this point will be E point. Okay, again we have to join here A to C. We have to join here A to, sorry, it should be A to C here. Okay, so what he can do here, he can do that this portion of land he can give to the Gram Panchayat, and this portion will be taken by Etuary. If this portion will be given to the Gram Panchayat, and if he will take this portion of land, then his plot of land will be a triangular shape. You can see A, E, D. If it becomes A, E, D, a triangular portion, and this portion will be we have just, our problem is we have to show that this plot of land will be equal to each other. If we able to show that this portion and this portion will be equal to each other, we can easily say that he will give this portion and he will take this portion. Okay, this is the rough idea about this problem. So we have to write some statement also. Okay, so we'll write here what we do here. We extend DC line to point E. We'll write this statement. extend DC to the point E. Okay, again draw a line B E. Draw a line B E parallel to AC. Okay, parallel to AC here. Again we joined here, you can see AE, we joined AE. This is the construction part. Okay, then after we will do, you can see, suppose we able, if we show that this triangle A B C and A C E, if we able to show that these two triangle will be equal to each other, then we can subtract this portion from this triangle, and again from this triangle we will get this portion, this A. Suppose this is the intersecting point O. Okay, AOB and COE will be equal to each other. We can so we have to show that we have to extend, we have to solve step by step. Okay, you can see. So we'll write here. Now you can write here. Now triangle ABC, triangle ACB and triangle ACE, triangle ACE are on the same base. You can see these two triangle ABC and ACE, these two triangle on the same base. You can see AC, because these two triangle lie on the base on the same base. You can see AC. So we'll write here same base AC, and between the same parallel lines will be BE and AC. BE and AC. If above, from this statement we can say that this triangle and this triangle lie on the same base and between the same parallel lines, then their area will be equal to each other, isn't it? So we can write area of this one is ABC equal to area of ACE, isn't it? So from this one we can say that he will give this portion, these two portion will be equal to each other, isn't it? These two portion equal to each other, this one and this one. We have the Itwari will give this portion. If he will give this portion to the Gram Panchayat to make health center, and again if he will take this portion of land from the Panchayat, then his plot of land will be the triangular shape. You can see AED or ADE, you can see. Okay, so we can just suppose this one equation number 1. Okay, suppose this one is equation number 1. So we'll subtract both sides from this one, area of AOC. So if we subtract from ABC, if we subtract this portion from ABC, if we subtract this portion, then it will be remain this portion AOB, this portion will remain, and this one again if we subtract from ACE, again same portion will be subtract, then remain will be, after subtracting we will get COE. Okay, COE will be the remaining portion of land. So we'll write here subtract area AOC both side from equation 1. Okay, So we'll write this one is equation number 1. So we can write we have to write this statement here. Area of ABC subtract this one AOC. You can write area of AOC. Okay, area of AOC. It's a subtraction sign. Okay, then after equal sign, this one area of ACE. Area of ACE. We'll subtract the same portion of land. This one area of AOC. Okay, after subtracting we will get, as I told you in the diagram also, you can see this one. If we subtract A from A, B, C, we subtract this portion, we will get AOB, isn't it? So we'll write AO, area of AOB is equal to, if we subtract from ACE, if we subtract this portion, then we will get COE. Area will be COE, will be remain. Okay, so what he can do, he can do that. He can do this portion, he can give this portion to the Gram Panchayat and he can take this portion, isn't it? So we'll write that statement that Itwari give, which portion he will give? This portion, AOB. Itwari give area AOB, and he will take, which portion he can take? This one, COE, area COE, to make plot of his land triangular. So then triangular shape will be, you can see area of AED or ADE, you can say. So we can write area will be area of ADE. Okay, this is the question.